This peanut butter sheet cake got eaten up so fast. It's so good and I got so many compliments. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 12 by 17-inch cookie sheet with parchment paper. To start the cake, to a medium bowl add a cup of water, a half a cup of butter, and a fourth a cup of peanut butter. Bring that to a boil and then remove from heat. Add in a cup of granulated white sugar and stir. Add in a cup of packed brown sugar and stir. A teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 cups flour, and then stir it all together. Add in a half a cup of buttermilk and a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and give it all a good stir. This is what the cake batter should look like. Pour onto your parchment-lined cookie sheet. Bake for about 15 minutes. For the frosting, you're going to melt 3/4 cup of butter, a little bit more than 1/3 a cup of buttermilk, a half a cup of peanut butter, and then you're going to bring that to a boil, take it away from the heat, then add 3½ cups of powdered sugar and a tablespoon of vanilla. Then you're going to pour the warm frosting over a warm cake. This is what it should look like. As you may have seen on our TikTok, I decorated this for our Stranger Things viewing party for Volume 2 of Season 4. And there you have it, a delicious peanut butter sheet cake.